Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to create the design on my right hand because it would be a little bit too long for me to do my non-dominant hand. So for this design, I'm going to be using some pigments and some gel art liners as well as some glow-in-the-dark gel art liners, and it's super easy. So basically what I've done is I've kind of created like a French outline, only a little bit different, and then I just use a fluffy brush to apply the pigments, and I wipe off in between applications just so I don't get the colors mixed up. But I basically use some hot pink, some orange, and blue, yellows, whichever pigment you want. And I actually got these from Amazon, so you guys can find them. They're really easy to work with. I am just randomly creating some shapes and a little bit of a heart design there, and I also apply, this is my glow-in-the-dark gel liner, so just wanted that heart to pop out, which is going to be really hard for you guys to see anyways because I'm filming this during the day and recording it at night, so you guys probably heard a little bit of an airplane going by there. But it's super easy, fun nail art for the summertime. These pigments, I got them on Amazon, super inexpensive, but they're so much fun and they literally stick to any gel base. So having that white underneath makes the colors pop really nicely. I also want to note here that you need to cure the white base gel before you apply the pigments. That's going to be very important because if you don't cure that, it will just smudge all of these and the pigments will stick to the brush. So definitely cure the white gel before you apply the pigments. So once you've done that, last step is to apply your no wipe top coat and cure that for a minute in your LED lamp. And there you have it. And here is the complete look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, and commenting, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye for now.